Swarm. This is my first video on the game, so like, yeah. I'm gonna give you a bit of a leak on episode 5, I think, if it's episode 5. And it's gonna release somewhere at least either next week or this week. Now, today, we're gonna try to complete Oh Stormy Night. But I'm too tired of doing that, so I'm not actually gonna do it unless I want to. So, let's do Brown Bear's quest. I came back a couple of days ago because I kind of quit, I don't know. I just haven't played in a while. But I did come back a couple of days ago. And, yeah, I've gotten pretty good. Werewolf? Oh, the Rosewood. Where am I going? I don't know my way that much. So, like, expect me to go to places that aren't even the right way. Oh, can you guys, like, tell me, like, hold on, I'm gonna go to the Wind Shrine, and I want you guys to tell me in the comments what's the best one. Like, what will give you good boosts and good honey? Because I'm trying to get the porcelain backpack, is it? Aw, I already donated, so I can't show you. What? Good news, I have 1 bean. Bro, that's trash! That's trash! That's trash! That's trash! Bro! Why? Why? Like, bro, this bean is so trash! It's so trash! Like, bro, why give me this trash? Ah, yes, Spirit Bear. I just started your quests. Lucky for me, I don't care about your quests. I don't know how I'm struggling with this. Well, not really. I just need to do a bit more. Just a bit more. Just a bit more. Just a bit more. Nearly there. Almost. Yeah, boy. These rewards are trash, bro. So I collected all my rewards. I think I'm gonna go to King Beetle now. Hold on, I'll pause the video. Right, we're here. Let's defeat the King Beetle. Oh. Too slow, too slow. Haha. Oh gosh. Haha. What rewards do they get this time? Bro. Let's keep going. Please. Yes. Polar bear. I don't care about your quests. Owie. Why am I lagging? Well, not anymore, I guess. So, let's just go. So, that's gonna be a wrap up. That's really just it for the video. Maybe next video I'll try to get rid of this Commander Bee. I'm trying to change it into a Legendary Bee. So, yeah. See you guys in the next episode. Bye. Next episode of Bee Swarm. Maybe next episode of BFDI Plush Battle. You know, finally get to see the new plushies in action. Anyways, bye!